Welcome to another video in RoboTalker's how-to tutorial series.
To effectively navigate this tab, we have a few different options. We have an option to play a voice recording, edit our voice recording, as well as simply delete our voice recordings. So how do we create and save audio recordings for calls? We offer a couple convenience options. Scroll down to use a telephone to record. Call the number below and select option 2. When prompted, enter your account key. Speak up to 2 minutes long. Press 1 to end the recording and press star for playback of the last message. This message would then conveniently be saved up in the audio recordings tab above. We also offer an option to record your broadcasted message with your PC's microphone. Simply click Start, record a message of up to 2 minutes long, click Stop, and save. Your recording will be saved in the video recording tab above. Lastly, we offer an option to upload an audio file. Click on the drag and drop audio. Select your audio file and simply click Upload. Conveniently, many different audio formats are supported. This will then be saved up into your audio tab above.
Thank you for watching. For any questions, reach out via the phone number on robotalker.com. We're here to help you succeed.